Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, Rogue Natural, and it's your girl Akia, all up in your screen. Okay, I've stopped. Thank you for passing through this week's tutorial, and this is my braid pattern that I'll be using for my crochet today. And yes, I know I look like an egg, no one should roast me for that. So yeah, I would forward through the back portion of my hair, and then the front section, which is clearer, I would come back to explain it in details. Okay, so now that the back section is done, I'll show you how I achieved those crochet thingies I was doing. That's so dumb. So yeah, like the other time, you put the crochet needle beneath your hair, then you hook the pre-looped part of the crochet needle of the crochet hair inside your crochet hook. You close the latch of the crochet hook, you pull it through your hair. As you can see, I'm protecting my edges. So yeah, you pull it through your hair, and then remove the hair from the hook of the crochet. Open the pre-looped part of the hair and pull the hair that was outside through it. Pull it to secure it. It will form a knot, so you pull it to secure the knot. And I would come back later on to explain it more and more. And as you guys know, I used my trusted SAMBA twist, and it's the same old hair. Yes, it's the same old hair. So I'll insert a picture of the SAMBA twist for those who are watching my video for the first time, so that you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I would most likely explain it again, and if my English is that bad, I'll leave you to watch it. So you put the crochet needle beneath your hair, hook the preloop part of the crochet hair in the crochet needle, close the crochet latch, then you pull it beneath your hair. Now you remove the prelooped part from the crochet's hook. Yeah, then you open the prelooped part, pull the hair through, and then you secure it by also pulling it more. It forms a knot beneath your hair, and does it for crochet. If you don't get it, as you know, I know I like talking. If you don't get it, I would do a slow motion of it, and hopefully you would get what I am talking about. So please do enjoy, and I'll see you guys later. Repeat these steps throughout my hair and fill in every space I can possibly feel, and that's basically it. That's crocheting. So fill in all that parts, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to support my channel. Also click on the notification bell to receive notifications whenever I post a video. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram at Ikea, and I hope to catch you on the flip side. See you guys later. Bye.